2013 తర్వాత అసలు ఇంతవరకు ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇటువంటి విజిలెన్స్ అండ్ మానిటరింగ్ కమిటీ మీటింగ్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు జరగల. సో దెర్ వాజ్ బేసికలీ నో ఫోకస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీబడి wanting to set right the system. There was no motivation for anybody to take it up, and there was no motivation at the top level kabatti the meeting was never convened, and automatically justice was also delayed. Justice delayed should not be justice denied. Eventually, when there is focus from the top level, when we at our level will have these meetings every year going forth, so there is going to be an element of focus. There is going to be an element of asking for results based on the previous meeting that was held, that is today. Probably next year, once again when we meet, we will also review what has happened in this year after this meeting was conducted. So this kind of focus anedi manam pedta unnam kabatti whatever has happened, there's nothing, bygones are bygones, there's nothing what we can do about it. But going forward, what are the steps that we need to take to make sure that all these corrections are enforced, to make sure that whatever mistakes have happened in the past do not happen going forward. So that is going to be the agenda. So ఒకవైపున జరిగినేటివి ఏంటివి అని చెప్పి ఒకవైపున మనం ఇంట్రోస్పెక్షన్లో చూసుకుంటూనే మరోవైపున we need to come up with an action plan so as to how do we avoid these kind of things from happening అనేది కూడా ఒక యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్ కూడా ఇవాల్వ్ చేసి this we need to make sure that there is a proper SOP in place so that ఇవన్నీ కూడా రిపేర్ అయ్యే పరిస్థితిలోకి తీసుకుని రావాలి. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ మళ్ళీ when we sit down in this meeting, the meeting should be more of అన్ని గొప్పగా చేయగలిగినాము, గొప్పగా రిపేర్ చేయగలిగినాము because the government was focused అని మనము ఒక మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వగలిగే పరిస్థితిలోకి రావాలి. That is the whole objective of this meeting.